back to the channel. Right now, today we are at concept 3 with Emily's Elantra N, and today we are finally getting the 6 catted downpipe installed, and I'm really happy to finally get this installed. Going between the Veloster N and the Elantra N, and the sound difference has been quite extreme. Car sounds really quiet, so I'm really happy to see how this sounds in compared to my X-Force downpipe, and the 6 downpipe quality is really nice. The welds on there, I attached a video so you guys can see it, but I'm really happy with how it looks, and now we're gonna see how it sounds. So we don't have the tune yet to go ahead and compensate for the downpipe, but we're going to be running this downpipe on the stage 1 tune for right now, and just really excited to see how it sounds. She doesn't have an aggressive pop tune, she has a regular tune, so yeah, extremely happy, and we'll see how it sounds. Car sitting, it's right here, and we had a fan. They had a fan going on it to help cool everything down. So always use hand tools, guys. If you ever see a shop pull out that air wrench in the beginning, run away and say, never mind, I changed my mind. Alright guys, so the car has 25,000 miles on it. Honestly, I was kind of worried too that the studs would have been kind of hard to get off, but Will's got them all off. Like I said, hand tools and patience. Guy's a genius. Can't say anything other than that, but just take your guys' time if you guys are doing this at home. PV blaster, and don't use any type of power tools or an air wrench or anything like that. Hand tools are going to be your friend here, so don't be nervous if you have a high mileage Elantra N or high mileage. You know, we're at 25,000. People are doing this a little bit sooner, but so far so good. All right guys, so false info. I said to do this on a warm engine. Let's let the master tell us.
Basically what I do is I do it on a cold engine. Difference between a hot engine and a cold engine, metal likes to expand. The studs on the Hyundai and Kias, they're very soft. So if the studs expanded and you try to take it off, you're going to strip them, you're going to snap them. So I got 4 out, 10 minutes, had a blower, pull the motor off, and we're good to go.
Alright guys, so Will got the downpipe out and it looked like it was actually a pain in the butt to get out. Had to drop the subframe a little bit, remove the engine mount, while Omar was over here prying on the engine to try to get out of the way and dropping the subframe like I said, so they had to lower the subframe. So this is honestly something I'm glad that I didn't do on my own. It would have been a bitch and it would have took me a long time. So really happy that they got this bad boy out. Now to get the O2 sensor off. It was seizing up when we were trying to remove it from up top, so we're going to see what's going on with that. But everything is off. Like I said, it didn't look like it was an easy job. So for anybody looking to tackle this at home, I mean, doing it on jack stands is going to be a kind of a pain in the butt. Not to say it's not doable, but it's just going to be one of those things that expect for it to just take a little bit.